that we're gonna do some unboxing. Okay guys, let's start. Let's start now the unboxing. Yes. Okay. Let's start with this box, guys. Let's open this. What is inside this box? Okay. Inside this box, guys, is ito yung in-order ko ito yung in-order ko online. This is a vitamin C serum. It's a serum, guys. Serum siya. Yes, guys. This is a vitamin C serum plus. This is a vitamin C. Ayan siya, guys. Vitamin C. Vitamin C Kudal. By Kudal. Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum Plus. Ayan siya, guys. This is for dark spot, guys. Kasi, actually, marami akong dark spot. Kasi, guys, hindi naman na ngayon, pero nung mga nakaraan many months ago, yung tigyawat ko talaga wagas. As in, hindi ako tinitigilan ng tigyawat ko. Love na love nila yung face ko. Lagi silang nandyan. Ngayon, konti na lang talaga. As in, minsan wala. Pero may mga pimple marks ako. Kaya, bumili ako nitong Vitamin C. Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum by Goodal. Ito siya, guys. Set siya. And this is the mask. And this is the serum. Ayan siya, guys. Yung serum. Ayan siya. And I will try. Ayan yung texture niya, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Para siyang liquid. Hindi siya ganun ka-sticky. Ayan siya, guys. I love the scent. Talaga nga may tangerine siya. Guys, yun. Yun yung unang box. Ang bango. Yan yung unang box na inopen natin. And next box naman is, wait lang. Guys, the next box, inside the box is, guys, ito yung laman ng isang box. Cat food. Cat food siya, guys. Pagkain ng pusa namin. Yan. Yung siya. Royal Canin. Royal Canin. Yan. And next na i-unboxing natin is this. Is the big box. Yung malaking box na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Yun naman yung ating i-unboxing. Okay. Oh my gosh, actually, this box, puro na naman siya snacks, guys. Mga snacks lang siya. And let's start now. First is this pretzel garlic butter taste. This pretzel garlic butter taste. Garlic butter taste. We have one of these, and another one, two. Dalawa lang siya. 2 pieces. And next is this sweet potato. Kukuma. Sweet potato. Kukuma. Yes. This real sweet potato, 100% sweet potato, 100% Sweet potato siya, guys. Yan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pieces of this. Next naman natin, guys, is this pineapple jam cookies. Pineapple jam cookies by Tatawa. Pineapple jam cookies. 1 and 2. 2 pieces of pineapple jam cookie. Next is this blueberry butter cookies. Blueberry butter cookies. Yes, one. We only have one. We only have one of this blueberry butter cookies, and then next is butter cookies Danish selection traditional. Danish selection traditional. And next is this, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Potato crisps, Himalayan salt flavor. Potato crisps, Himalayan salt flavor. Ayan siya, guys. Potato crisps siya. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. And I don't know how many. Yan, guys, 60 pieces siya. 60 pieces. Yung BHEBkim, 60 pieces siya, guys. Ito, 60 pieces yung laman nito. Ayan. Laman nung isang pack. And we also have another flavor. This is a sour cream flavor. Sour cream flavor. Potato crisps. Yes, sour cream flavor naman siya, guys. And dalawa pala siya, guys. Dalawang sour cream flavor siya, guys. Ayan. Dalawa pala siya. Meron pa pala dun sa loob. And then next, guys, I don't know bakit puro cookies tong binili ng asawa ko. Next is this apple jam filled cookies. Apple jam filled cookies. Ayan, guys. Apple jam filled cookies. 60 pieces din siya, guys. And then next is this Golden Malkies by Nissan. Golden Malkies crackers. Cheese cream flavor. Ayan siya, guys. Diba? Puro biskwit yung binili ng asawa ko. Next naman natin, guys, is this. This is a chocolate. Bonbons with peanut and chocolate cream filling in wafer. Bon mix. Ayan siya, guys. Bon chocolate siya na chocolate wafer. Wafer inside yan. Ayan siya, guys. Bon. And next is also this bonbon with chocolate flavored filling and wafer. Bonbon mo siya. This is another one. This one and this one. This is a peanut and this is a chocolate flavor. Chocolate flavor siya, guys. And next is we also have a chocolate Golden Malkies crackers. Chocolate flavor naman siya, guys. Kung kanina, cream siya. Cream cheese. Ito, chocolate flavor. And next, marshmallow. Yan. Marshmallow siya, guys. Dalawang pack ng marshmallow. And next is, this is jelly bean. Jelly bean. Then guys, jelly bean siya. And actually, hindi naman to sa akin eh. Yung mga ganitong candy, sasawa ko to. Kasi gusto niya yung mga candy. He loves candy. And last. Yeah. And last is this Damla. Oh, this Damla. Ayan guys, candy siya. Ayan. Candy. Ang bigat niya guys. Ilang ba naman nito? Ang bigat naman. Ano nakalagay? 2 kilogram? Basta guys, ang bigat niya. Parang 2 kilogram daw to eh. Basta yan. Candy lang laman nito guys. Puro candy. And that was it guys. Our unboxing for today. And yun, thank you for watching. Bye bye.